How to use Gemini Earn to earn interest on crypto. First of all, log into your Gemini account and go straight to the Earn section because this is where you can turn your crypto into passive income instead of just letting it sit. In the Earn tab, Gemini shows you every coin that currently pays interest along with its APY, so you can instantly see how much each crypto can earn. Not all cryptos qualify, but most major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and even stablecoins do. Now find the crypto you want to earn interest on and click Earn next to it. Gemini will show your available balance, the current APY, and even a projection of how much you will earn in a year. Click Max if you want to move your full balance, then hit Continue and Confirm. There are no fees to transfer from trading balance to Earn, which makes it super convenient. After confirming, the transfer might show as pending for 1 to 2 business days. Once it moves to your Earn balance, interest starts accumulating automatically every single day. Now you know how to use Gemini Earn to earn interest on your crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.